So this video is for you creator out there. You have a lot trapped on your inside, but you are like, I don't want my face out there, is what has been keeping you. I said it to you, and I mean it when I say there is no gatekeeping in my zone. So it's been placed on my mind to hold you by the hand this year, if you will be willing to remain, like my people will say. If you will stay with me, like we'll be, if you will stay with me, if you will allow me to sit on your neck. Please be careful if you are signing up for this. So I'll be on your case. I will hold you. We'll go hand in hand. I'm also learning so you can see woman. I don't know nada. Learning myself, and most of the things I do here are self-taught. So if you are going to be a mentee of a self-taught, so this video is for you. So I'm going to hold you by the hand, guiding you as I'm being led. And I want to tell you that there is no stopping. Here are some cool ways you can shoot your content without actually showing your face. Now watch this. This video is for the team. I don't like to show my face online. Honestly, who says you must? You can just do something like what I'm doing here. An area in your house, probably picking up an item or dropping off an item. Capture that as a footage. Move away, go somewhere else. Capture yourself cleaning something. It could be chair, right? Just capture that. You cleaning your chair. You don't need to show us your face. In fact, I'm bending too low here. You can just, show us you cleaning your table or something. Just cleaning something. It could be shoes. It could be you polishing your shoes. But here, I'm cleaning the table. Did you see my face? No. You clean, capture that footage. Go somewhere else. You capture yourself either about to go out like this, or you about to come in. Just set your camera is on. You about to come in, closing the door. That's the footage. You leave. Go somewhere else. And capture yourself sweeping or something, right? That's the footage. Capture yourself. Doing that. Are you seeing my face? No. That is a footage. It will be of you sharing a recipe or something, just doing something with your hand. This is water. This is my container, and I'm about to do this. Sometimes you can do a voiceover, sometimes you can talk directly just like I'm doing. Other times, just put your text on it. Engaging, so not like there's a measurement to it. And then you go ahead to show us how you're fixing it, right? This is where I want to use it. This one, and it goes in here. Go ahead and show us how it's used. Right? That is a footage. You keep it. Did you see my face? No. And capture yourself about to go out and show us wearing your shoes. That's a footage. Take it a little further by actually opening your door to go out. Capture that. Close the door. You can even do a footage of you coming back from somewhere. Did you see my face? No. Show us a footage of you about to fix your breakfast or something. And yeah. Putting your bread in the toaster. I move the camera close to you. Let's see what you are doing. Us what you're about to do. That is a footage. Another type is to show us your back view. In fact, here is a very hot one because we can actually use your back here as a template for you to write the text. Show us your back view. That one is also a banger. Did you see my face? No. You see? Do you really have an excuse? No excuse whatsoever. So if learning from the self-taught is something you want to consider, I am opening my door. I need to be careful because I don't want to bite more than I can chew. So I would say this is for 3 categories of people. The first, I would just want to take 5 people, or let me say 10, max 10 people maximum. I don't want to bite more than I can chew. So these 10 are the ones that I want them to sign up with me for 3 months. May, June, July, 3 months. I will hold you by your hand and I will be on your neck, on your case. So this one is a very special package, and that involves me being like, it's okay if you can like be with me physically, that will do a one-on-one thing, and I don't want distance to be a barrier. So you can be in Nigeria, Canada, Australia, wherever, UK, wherever, and we can still, so you don't have an excuse. If you can't be with me one-on-one physically, we can do it online. So this is what it's going to look like. We'll shoot your content together. Yes, I want to make it that possible. We'll shoot your content together. If you want me to, you will show me where you're having hiccups. I'll tell you, this is, do your camera like this is where you should go. We will shoot your content together. We will edit your content together. Yes, either you edit your content, you forward to me, I check, and if it is I will tell you to go ahead and post. And if you can't edit as much as you wish, you can forward it to me. I'll do some, get to when you sign up. So we'll do that together. We will get to like, hello, I'm doing this, something like this happened. What should I do next? That is how much I want us to be very close. Like, you can hit me up, not on my head anyway, and not with this. You can hit me up via WhatsApp. WhatsApp will be the best, or emails, depending on what the situation at hand is. You can hit me up and I will do well to respond accordingly. You can be very sure of one thing. For those that have learned with me, I don't want to blow my trumpet, but I wish I can get them here to testify to how much I pour me into whatever we are doing. I want to learn from me. There's nothing to hide. I don't know why some people will be paid to teach and they will be like, gatekeeping, that's the best word to use. Well, for me, let me speak for myself. There is so much more from where that is coming from, if you get what I mean. My source is God, and He is one well, one river that never runs dry. So I dish out what all I have now. The next second, He's giving me fresh ideas. That is how much I trust God, and that is why I will not put my God in a box by hiding whatever I need to show you or tell you when you are enrolling for anything with me. We will do that for 3 months. It's not for you. I have a family, I have work, I have a life outside content creation. So it's not going to be free, but looking at the situation of what you want to have me do with you, you should know that it's not going to be free, but I am very affordable. So that is category 1. And I don't want it to be more than 5 to 10 people. Ejo. So you can see how tiny my ears are. Ejo. I don't want to do more than I can chew. The second category will be just for a month. It's similar to the category 1, but it's just for a month. And the third category, which is the last one, is the one I'll call the boo boo. It will be in depth like this, and this is what I'm saying. It will be like you purchasing my courses. Yes, just purchasing my courses, like enrolling, and it will be for how long now? We'll talk about that. It will be detailed on my website. Yes, there's a website to that. So it will be the one that you subscribe for that particular period of time and you get trained. That is that. Oh, I've said a lot, right? And this video is already long. Permit me. I just thought to share some light. Super excited. I wish I can make you understand. Yes, you can be looking like she's going to let out whatever she has known over the years, and she's all happy. Yes, I am all happy. Back to where I started this video. If I may ask, how many times did you watch this trailer? Even I, as a creator, I lost count of the number of times I watch it. Yes, I can admit it. Well, it's my way of showing the team I don't want to show my face, that you actually have no excuse. You can shoot an intriguing video without showing your face. Let's just say you can actually run a faceless channel or page, and you don't have to use AI tools if you don't want to. For me, I just love that human touch, human feel in any video I'm watching. If this sounds like something you are interested in, I would open up a link very soon for you to sign up. Yes, we'll take it up from there. But this is more like an intro of me giving you a sneak peek into what I'm about to do. We are about to do. That's the word. Thank you for coming to my pep talk. And just before you go, if this resonates,
click the like button to support my channel. I'm a growing channel. Enjoy.
Support my channel. Leave your comments. Let me know what you feel about
this. And don't forget to tag a friend or share with a friend. If it's not important to you, if it's not something of use to you, it might be of use to them.
Are you ready?
I don't know. Are you ready? I'll see you again on the next one. But until then, stay cozy and take care of yourself. I love you. Mwah.
I am a dreamer. I am a creator. I am a leader. I am a woman.
Hello, beautiful people. This is Funky Show.